In CSS Grid, each box is considered a cell. So each of these colored boxes on screen are considered different cells. If we use justify self, we can justify and align the content within the cells. By default, the property has a value of stretch, which will make the content fill the whole width of the cell. But for this challenge, we're going to try a different property. So I'll do justify self, and instead of setting it to stretch, which is the default, I'm going to set it to center. We can also do start or end. But if we set it to center, you'll see that this has been centered within the cell, just like that. In the last challenge, we used justify self, which aligns horizontally. Now we're going to align an item vertically using align self. It works pretty much the same way. So I'm going to put align self, and then I'm going to set this to end. So now, if we refresh, you'll see that this aligns vertically to the bottom of the cell. If you want all your items in your grid to share the same alignment, you can use justify items on the parent container. It uses all the same values that we saw before. So we'll put justify items, and then I'll just set this to be center. If we refresh, we'll see everything has been centered. We saw that justify items aligns all items horizontally. Align items aligns all items vertically. Again, you put it on the parent container. So we'll put align items, and I'll set this to end to set so all of them align at the end of each cell. So we see they all go to the bottom, which is the end.